Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are in the car right now, headed for a little family Whole Foods trip. We're gonna be picking up groceries for the week, so I decided I'm going to film it, show you guys everything that we're grabbing, and do a little haul. If you guys are new around here, my name is Becca. This is my husband Matt, and we've got baby girl Hayden in the back. And I'm a registered dietitian. I make lots of videos about nutrition, obviously, health and wellness, not toxic living. I love doing what I eat in a days and some grocery hauls. So if any of that is interest to you and you're new, I would absolutely love for you to subscribe and come join us. But for now, let's head on into Whole Foods.
Becca's looking for cheese or something. I'm gonna go look for what I want. Something really good. There's a lot of good stuff, but look at this chocolate parfait. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me?
Okay guys, so we just got back from Whole Foods and I just laid everything out so I can show you everything that we picked up. Okay, so I'm gonna start with produce. That is a lot of what we got. So I've got some plums here. These are gonna be, I mean, for us to eat, but mainly also for Hayden for her breakfast. For baby-led weaning these days, breakfast, I always do like sliced up fresh fruit. Like apples, I'll steam them. Plums are pretty soft though. I can just give them to her straight up. So that's pretty much for her. Got some asparagus for dinner one night, gonna roast that up. A lemon because I'm gonna make like a pasta, like a veggie pasta, like a pasta primavera type dish, and it called for a lemon. And then I also have some zucchini here, yellow squash, zucchini. So this is gonna be for, partly for that pasta primavera dish I was talking about. It's like one of the veggies I'm gonna use in there. I also like to have zucchini every week for myself. I like to slice it up, kind of dice it up and saute it. And it's just nice to have on hand for like lunch and stuff, just like a cooked up veggie. But then also Hayden loves zucchini too. So I will cut it up like lengthwise. So they're like little zucchini sticks, and I steam them so they're nice and soft. So that's for all of those purposes. Cherry tomatoes, organic, for that pasta dish that I was talking about. It's just gonna be like chock full of veggies. Bell pepper for that pasta dish, and then I also have another bell pepper because I'm gonna be making like a taco skillet one night, so I'm gonna use that. Some cauliflower just to roast up and eat either with dinner or lunch, for Hayden as well. What else do we got here? A bunch of sweet potatoes, mainly just to cut up and roast. For Matt, for Hayden, for myself, we love sweet potatoes, so I got 3 big ones, and then we've got 2 just little organic, just like plain old russet potatoes back here. I'm gonna slice or dice those up and roast them. One night we're gonna have like steak. I have some steak from Butcher Box that I got with probably the asparagus, and then I'm gonna like roast the potatoes. I love roasted potatoes. So I think that's everything for produce. And then back here we've got huge thing of just oats. This is the brand that I've kind of switched to and I really like, Bob's Red Mill. I love a lot of their stuff, but it's just, you know, oats for the morning, which I love. Some penne for that pasta primavera dish I was talking about. Then these are just tortilla chips. Matt really wanted to make like nachos as a snack, which can't fault him for that. Nachos are delicious. Okay, and then we have some meat here. So I have organic chicken breasts. This is gonna be for the taco skillet. I'm gonna make it with like shredded chicken instead of like ground beef, just to switch it up. And then we have chicken thighs here. Matt loves chicken thighs. He's gonna cook these up and eat these like for part of his lunch every day with like sweet potatoes, and I don't know what else he does, but those are mainly for him. He loves chicken thighs. And then I also got ground turkey. For this, I'm going to make a bunch of little like baby-led weaning, like turkey kind of like patties for her to eat. So like I said, for breakfast, I've just been doing fruit in the morning because it's really easy. And now she's just now eating 3 meals a day. So at lunchtime, I'm gonna give her some kind of veggie, maybe like zucchini or just stuff I already have cooked up, maybe some kind of sweet potato too. And then I'm gonna make these little patties ahead of time. I'm just gonna make them all at once, so then I have them all throughout the week for her. And then for dinner, she just eats like whatever we eat. We just give her little pieces that are like, you know, that she can hold and eat and all that. Okay, then we also have eggs. These are pasture-raised eggs. This is the brand that I've been getting. They're like $1 cheaper than Vital Farms, which is what I typically get, and I've really been liking those. Butter, this is just grass-fed butter. This is what we use. Okay, and then also picked up another Hope hummus. This is my new favorite hummus. I just love the ingredients. There's no, like, doesn't have like canola oil or any processed oil. I believe it's just olive oil that's in here. And I like all the flavors. This is just the plain. I love the buffalo one, and they have a spicy avocado one too that's really, really good. And then we have some more dairy here, half and half for our coffee. Organic Valley is a brand that I love, that I've been purchasing for years. All of their cows are pasture raised, which is super important to me. You want them to be eating grass, not like corn and soy feed. Yogurt, Siggy's is my jam, also from grass-fed cows. And this is the vanilla. These are for Matt. I don't think these are from grass-fed cows. I could be wrong. I don't think they are. But this is just what he really likes, so got those for him. Parmesan cheese for that pasta dish I was talking about. A ton of whole milk, again, from that same brand, Organic Valley, that I love. And then back here, we have just some regular old marinara sauce. One night for dinner, I have the Trader Joe's, the cauliflower gnocchi, already frozen in my freezer. And that's just like a really easy dinner, so I needed sauce for that. And then if we end up making like homemade pizza, potentially later in the week, I'll have that too. Salsa for Matt's nachos, but also for the taco skillet I'm gonna make. And then this was a nice surprise. Matt picked up this little guy. I mean, it looks fantastic. I can't blame him, but it's some kind of like cake parfait, so good for him. And then back here is just some shredded cheese. I don't know, I feel like we're always using shredded cheese. Nachos for Matt. I put it on eggs, sometimes at dinner, you know, whatever. So I think that is everything. Okay guys, so that is it for this video and this grocery haul. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything I picked up from Whole Foods. If you guys have not subscribed yet, I would absolutely love for you to join our community here on my channel. And of course, if you're not following me on Instagram, would love to have you over on there as well. I'm always sharing what we're up to on just like a daily basis, and we have lots of fun over there. So that's it for today. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.